Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the eToro card, a prepaid debit card that allows you to spend your eToro account balance in the real world. To get started, you will need to have an eToro account and a verified profile. If you don't have one, sign up for an account on the eToro website or mobile app, and follow the verification process. Once your account is verified, you can order your eToro card from the eToro platform. The card will be sent to you by mail and will arrive within a few days. When you receive your card, you will need to activate it by following the instructions provided with the card. This will usually involve calling a phone number or visiting the eToro website to enter the card details. To load funds onto your eToro card, simply transfer money from your eToro account to your card. You can do this from the eToro platform, and the funds will be available on your card immediately. You can then use your eToro card to make purchases online or in store, or to withdraw cash from an ATM. When using your eToro card, you will need to ensure that you have sufficient funds in your eToro account to cover the transaction. If you don't have enough funds, the transaction will be declined. You can check your balance and transaction history at any time by logging into your eToro account, or by using the eToro mobile app. It is also important to note that the eToro card is a prepaid card, which means that you can only spend the funds that you have loaded onto the card. This makes it a great way to budget and manage your spending, as you can't overspend or accumulate debt. In addition to making purchases, you can also use your eToro card to withdraw cash from an ATM. However, be aware that some ATMs may charge a fee for this service, and you should check the fees before making a withdrawal. To keep your eToro card secure, make sure to keep your card details and PIN number safe, and never share them with anyone. If you lose your card or suspect that it has been stolen, contact eToro customer support immediately to report the issue and request a replacement card. In conclusion, the eToro card is a convenient and secure way to spend your eToro account balance in the real world. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of your eToro card and enjoy the benefits of using your eToro account balance to make purchases and withdraw cash.